This is Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's Find of the Week. Zeppelin, our shipping manager, he is helping me, and thank goodness it is Friday. It has been a week. I don't know about you, but it has been a week. So I have a special little treat today. Everybody collects something, right? And message us down in the box and tell us what you collect. I collect dogs, obviously, but a lot of people collect bunnies, and I just don't think y'all understand how cute these bunnies are that I have. These aren't just the regular bunnies. Everybody that's ordered one, and I don't know if they just don't show up as well on the website and you can't really see them, but everybody that's ordered this rabbit has told, including my mother, has told me this is the cutest rabbit I've ever seen. And I have to agree. So that's what this is, a bunny. Once again, I'm doing this one-handed. But there you can see her face. They came in last night, so they go pretty fast once they come in, but they're super cute. And they're like a resin, but they almost feel, they feel like ceramic or stone. And let me get her bag off. And I personally think, and from what my customers have said, you can collect bunnies all year long. You don't have to just collect bunnies around Easter. And that's exactly what this is. This is a bunny that you can put out and use all year long. I have one by my front door, actually. But there you can see how cute that rabbit is. It's almost like a terracotta, and then she's got kind of like a white modeling to her, a real rough finish with these rust-tipped ears, and then like a little burlap bow that needs to be froofed up. But they're cute by the front door, or you could probably even put like a coating, a clear coat on the rabbit, and even put them outside. But they're pretty big. They're about 24 inches tall. But a lot of people collect rabbits, and this is a super cute rabbit. So she probably doesn't, of course, you know, online you're limited. You can't see them like you could in the store. But with this video, I thought it would help. And again, everybody who has ordered this rabbit is absolutely in love with it. And they do feel like a stone. They're not flimsy. I just think she's adorable. So I wanted to share her with you. And comment in the box. Tell me what you collect. I'm curious what everybody collects. Anyway, until next week, have a great rest of the day and a good weekend. And be sure and check out all of our cute rabbits and collectibles on the website at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com.